Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 44. How to find the best solo ad services to promote affiliate offers. In this video, we will see how to find the best solo ad services to promote your affiliate offers, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on Facebook.com, and in the search bar, search for Solo Ads Testimonials Group. And this is their official group page. A little below you can see their new activity. On the first one, you can see the first post timing, seller details, and more information. Click on more and you can see all the details about their services. Below you have similar details about every service provider with the time when they posted in the group and clicks ordered and clicks received. So you have a complete list of it. On right we have recent media. Click on it to view recent media files. Back here, you can see more service providers with details to choose the one that's best for your promotions. So this is how you can find the best solo ad services to promote your affiliate offers from this group. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it.